Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow and close more deals efficiently? Imagine receiving instant notifications in Slack about your sales opportunities from Capsule. Connecting Slack and Capsule enhances collaboration across teams, keeping everyone aligned and informed. Sales teams can act quickly, ensuring prospects remain engaged and conversions soar. Goodbye manual tasks. Automate notifications and focus on strategic client relationships instead. Want to learn how to set up Capsule notifications in your Slack workspace? Start with DM your CRM for an effortless integration that keeps updates flowing in real time. In just 3 simple steps, connect Slack and Capsule and transform your workflow today. Zapier offers another powerful way to customize notifications, fine-tuning updates for your team's needs. Experience improved efficiency and collaboration by connecting Capsule with Slack. Start your free trial now.